Kudankulam Nuclear Plant saw massive protests, but Supreme Court has now given a nod to the plant in larger public interest. This begs the question if way for other disputed plants like the one at Jaidapur would be now cleared. NDTV Sam Daniel reports on the impact of this judgment.
A green signal to the Kudankulam Nuclear Plant by the Supreme Court. It's a big relief for the government as the first reactor is almost complete and due to be commissioned in the next few weeks. The court said nuclear energy is important for sustainable economic growth of the country. For larger public interest, minor inconvenience has to be ignored. Right to life and sustainable development has to be balanced. Various expert groups have unanimously expressed opinion that there would be no effect of radiation in the area. But the court also directed the Atomic Energy Regulatory Board and the Nuclear Power Corporation to comply with all safety aspects and report to it before commissioning the project. Over the last few years, several fisherfolk have been demanding that the 15,000 crore project be stopped. They worried that the plant's radiation and discharge into the sea would threaten their lives and livelihood.
The Supreme Court's verdict has brought out mixed reactions amongst the villagers just half an hour away from this Kudankulam Nuclear Power Plant. The villagers say it's on Thursday that they are going to decide their next course of action. This centre, however, has alleged that there has been foreign funding behind these protests. The villagers and the protesters say this is a lie, an attempt by the centre and the government to weaken a people's movement.
People's movement against nuclear energy has never approached any court. We don't believe that this issue can be settled in the court of law or in the parliament. This is the project affected people should decide whether they need the project in their midst.
But the Atomic Energy Commission is a relieved lot. Its chairman told NDTV the judgment should lay to rest all doubts about the Kudankulam reactor.
The Supreme Court judgment reinforces the fact that safety first and power later. Now, people in the southern states, including Tamil Nadu, can get relief from long power cuts as the plant is likely to become operational in few weeks. With Pallav Bagla, Sam Daniel and Sneha, this is Arunachalam Vaidyanathan for NDTV.